We are in Finestrat, very close to Benidorm, and this is where Seascape Resort is being built. I can't wait to see it finished. Seascape Resort is an amazing residential complex. Its 162 loft apartments with terrace and 20 villas are proof that the key concept here is comfort and well-being. Seascape Resort has quality homes with spectacular views of the Mediterranean. All of them are bright, being perfectly oriented to take full advantage of the warm light that bathes this coast. What an excellent idea to orient the terraces in this way. Not only does it mean you can enjoy the sun and good weather, but you also have these beautiful views of the Mediterranean and Benidorm skyline. 2 swimming pools. One of them is an infinity pool. It must be amazing to seem like you're actually swimming in the Mediterranean. Oh, and the play park and children's pool, because we can't forget the kids' fun too. It's so nice to be able to enjoy the outdoors here. Within the resort, there are all kinds of communal areas. A chill-out area to relax and enjoy the views surrounded by plants and flowers. And a sports area where you can take part in activities such as paddle tennis or pétanque. And for recharging batteries, Seascape Resort will have 4 wellness areas with a relaxation zone, sauna, gym, and heated pool. It also has a play park, outdoor fitness equipment, children's mini-golf, and putting green for adults. The most important thing is that our customers can live in the house of their dreams. The best thing is that you can see all this for yourself. The materials used to build Seascape Resort are of the highest quality, and that can clearly be seen. Both the loft apartments and villas are designed with comfort in mind. Light and nature are perfectly combined, and the views towards the Mediterranean Sea offer impressive panoramic views of Benidorm. The large windows provide the perfect balance between interior and exterior. And the avant-garde design offers innovative style. And that's it, at least for now. So now you know. If you want to enjoy the light of the Mediterranean, or if you have any questions, get in touch with us. See you soon.